Imagine earning massive affiliate commissions, well over $50,000, just by promoting a few high-ticket programs. Sound too good to be true? In this video, I'll reveal the top 5 premium, high-ticket affiliate programs that can earn you significant commissions. These programs aren't your typical ClickBank or Digistore 24 products. We're talking about exclusive, high-end programs designed for the premium customer base. And the best part? If the programs align with your niche, you can start promoting them today and earn money, whether through sales or simply by generating leads. In this video, I won't mention AI affiliate programs since I've already made 2 videos on the top monthly recurring AI affiliate programs. This video specifically covers high-ticket programs that you can start promoting. Alright, let's dive into the second high-ticket affiliate program on our list, which is Amazing.com. This one's a game changer for those of you looking to help others jumpstart their e-commerce journey while earning some impressive commissions yourself. Imagine helping someone build their dream online business and getting rewarded for it. That's what Amazing.com offers. With their amazing selling machine, you can earn a whopping 25 to 50% commission on sales. And it's not just a one-time deal. You get lifetime commissions on memberships, which means a steady income stream for you. But how do you get started? To join the affiliate program of Amazing.com, you just have to visit Amazing.com and scroll down to the footer of the page. There, you'll find the affiliate link. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the affiliate page where you can watch a video by Stefan James, one of the top affiliates, talking about the program. On the affiliate page, you'll see a statement inviting you to earn unlimited payout by helping others start their own e-commerce business. You can also see testimonials of affiliates who earned significant commissions, like over $1 million. If you scroll down further, you'll find the frequently asked questions section where you can learn more about how much you can earn as an amazing ambassador. You can earn a 50% commission on products, up to $1,500 per referral, and lifetime subscription commissions as an affiliate. Additionally, there's a 60-day cookie period. So that's the basic information about joining the affiliate program of Amazing.com. Rolling into the third spot on our top affiliate programs is the Goldco affiliate program. This one's a treasure trove for those of you who have a passion for helping others secure their financial future with precious metals. This program is similar to the Augusta precious metal affiliate program. Here's the glittering deal. Goldco offers a commission of $35 per qualified lead, and that's just the start. You can earn a 4 to 6% commission per sale, depending on your quarterly or annual volume. And if you're thinking big, their affiliate structure scales up to an 8% commission on every sale, reaching up to 10% for high-ticket customers you bring to Goldco. To join the affiliate program of Goldco, simply visit the page provided in the description below. On the Goldco affiliate program page, you'll find an introduction inviting you to help people protect their retirement accounts from market crashes and devaluations. If you're interested, you can fill out the affiliate application form. The Goldco affiliate program is 100% free to join, with no limit on the amount of money you can make. They pay out millions every month to their affiliate partners. You'll also have access to creative assets provided by Goldco, or you can create your own to promote. Payouts are made on the 15th of every month via PayPal, and the cookie length is 90 days. To fill out the application form, click on the affiliate application link. You'll need to provide details such as your company name, address, and promotional methods. Make sure to indicate that you'll be bringing only US traffic. Once accepted, you can start promoting and earning commissions. And now, let's spotlight the fourth powerhouse in our lineup of top affiliate programs, the Authority Hacker Affiliate Program. This one's a gem for those who are serious about scaling their online marketing skills and earning substantial commissions along the way. With Authority Hacker, you're not just promoting courses, you're endorsing a blueprint for success in the digital marketing world. Affiliates can earn up to $1,979 per sale, which is a testament to the value packed into every course. And it doesn't stop there. You'll also earn lifetime commissions on other products your referrals buy, making this a truly rewarding long-term partnership. To join the affiliate program of Authority Hacker, simply visit authorityhacker.com/affiliates. On the affiliate page, you'll find information about earning substantial commissions by promoting their online marketing training courses. They offer commissions of up to $1,979 per sale and lifetime commissions on other referred products. You'll also find details about their flagship products, Authority Site System and Authority Hacker Pro. There's a sneak peek of what other affiliates are saying about the program, as well as FAQs to address common questions. Before signing up, it's important to understand the requirements. You'll need a website with relevant quality content and a minimum traffic threshold of a few thousand visitors per month. There's also a qualification period, requiring at least one qualifying referral within 90 days to become a full-time affiliate. If you meet these requirements, you can click on Apply Today as an affiliate to fill out the form. Ensure you satisfy all the criteria before applying to increase your chances of acceptance. Once accepted, you can start earning commissions by promoting Authority Hackers products. The fifth high-ticket affiliate program to promote is Freedom Accelerator. This is a program created by Jonathan Montoya, who is a super affiliate and a seven-figure business owner. This program pays 50% commissions. Now, the cool thing about Freedom Accelerator is that they leverage a webinar to promote their high-ticket product. The webinar is called How to Leverage 5-Second Silent Videos to Build a Business from Scratch. What happens is you send your leads to their automated webinar, and then they're going to do all the selling and telling for you so they can close a high-ticket sale. As you can see, there's a 12.33% per click that you send, 16.2% conversions, and an average cart value of over $1,000. Not only do they allow you to use the webinar, but they also give you a ton of email swipes that you can use to send to your email list. Another thing is they give you graphic swipes as well, so that way you can use them on Facebook or Instagram posts or even on banner ads. And then, of course, they also give you all their video ads, so that way you can run YouTube ads and Facebook ads as your own. One of the coolest things about the Freedom Accelerator affiliate program is that when you send a lead to their system, they can track if the lead watched the full webinar or half of it and then jumped off, or if they saw the order page and they didn't buy. Their system can then track it, and based on that, they're going to send them a series of emails to try to close the leads for you. And with the Freedom Accelerator program, they actually give you a 360-day cookie, meaning when you send someone to their system and they buy within the next 360 days, you're still going to get the sale no matter what. I will leave a link to the Freedom Accelerator affiliate program down below if you're interested in promoting this. Now, I hope this video helped you find the top high-ticket affiliate programs that you can promote. See you in the next video.